Hello everyone, welcome back to my new another video. Actually, first of all, good evening to all of you. Dear audience, look at this. Right now, I am standing beside the road. Actually, you can see behind of me a tree. Actually, do you know the name of this tree? Actually, the name of the tree is moringa leaves. And actually, moringa leaves Bengali are called Shojne Pata. If you would like to see clearly in this earth, then you have to eat green vegetable every single day. আপনি যদি পরিষ্কার দেখতে চান এই পৃথিবীতে, তাহলে আপনাকে অবশ্যই সবুজ শাকসবজি और সবুজ পাতা খেতে হবে। Thanks for my watching video.